How to hide apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. The home screen is the primary interface for accessing apps, widgets, and system controls. It features a customizable grid of app icons, widgets, and potentially folders for organizing apps. Press and hold the application you want to hide from here. Tap on Require Face ID. This app will now require a Face ID or your passcode to open or show content in other apps. Then, tap on Hide and Require Face ID. This app will no longer be visible on your iPhone, except in a few places such as Settings. Here, tap on Hide App below to confirm. As you can see, you will no longer find the application on your home screen. Following these steps, you can easily hide apps on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.